Messenger Genie AI is one of the most exciting AI software releases to hit the market, and today I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before jumping in. If you're on the hunt for cutting-edge tools to automate and improve your messaging, you're going to want to stick around for the full review, because this software might just change the game for your business. Before we dive in, don't forget you can try Messenger Genie for free with the link below. Trust me, you're going to want to check it out. First up, let's talk about the main selling point of Messenger Genie AI. It's designed to boost customer engagement and automate messaging across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and more. This software leverages artificial intelligence to provide personalized responses, improving communication with your customers while saving you valuable time. If you're managing customer support or sales inquiries, Messenger Genie could be a game changer. Now, one of the most impressive features of Messenger Genie is its smart automation. Unlike basic chatbots that provide scripted responses, this AI is capable of analyzing customer behavior and tailoring responses accordingly. It can handle everything from answering frequently asked questions to processing sales inquiries with minimal human intervention. If you've ever struggled to manage customer interactions manually, Messenger Genie can truly streamline this process for you. Another standout aspect is its ease of integration. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a business owner with little tech experience, Messenger Genie is designed to work seamlessly with your existing platforms. The integration process is smooth, and you don't need to worry about hiring a developer or spending hours learning how to set it up. If you're looking for a plug-and-play solution, this is it. When it comes to user-friendliness, Messenger Genie doesn't disappoint. The dashboard is intuitive, making it easy to track your messages, automate campaigns, and view analytics in real time. The software gives you access to detailed insights, so you can understand how your messaging strategies are performing and refine your approach as needed. This kind of data-driven feedback is essential for optimizing your marketing efforts. Now, here's a big one. Messenger Genie uses AI to personalize customer interactions at scale. Imagine being able to send targeted, personalized messages to hundreds or even thousands of customers without sacrificing the personal touch. This can lead to better customer satisfaction and ultimately increased sales. What I really like about Messenger Genie AI is its scalability. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large enterprise, this tool can grow with you. You can start small and expand your usage as your business needs evolve. It's flexible enough to adapt to a wide range of industries, making it a versatile tool for any business. And of course, we can't forget about the support. If you run into any issues, the team behind Messenger Genie offers great customer support to help you get the most out of the software. They're responsive and ready to assist with any questions, which is a big plus in today's fast-paced digital world. To wrap up, if you're looking to elevate your customer communication, boost your sales, and save time, Messenger Genie AI could be exactly what you need. You can give it a try for free through the link in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed it down to my top recommended AI software, which you'll also find in the description. Check them out and let me know how Messenger Genie works for you.